Tesla's Cybertruck, bold innovation or safety challenge? The Tesla Cybertruck doesn't just look like it's from another planet, it's designed to perform like it too. With its sharp, futuristic aesthetics and cutting-edge features, this vehicle boldly challenges the conventions of automotive design. But is this electric colossus everything the hype suggests? This isn't your average car body. The Cybertruck's exoskeleton is made from ultra-hard stainless steel. It's designed to resist dents, offering durability comparable to military-grade vehicles. It's a machine built to face the unexpected, from rough terrains to bustling city streets. The Cybertruck's windows utilize advanced, shatter-resistant glass technology. Built as nearly unbreakable, they're engineered to protect occupants from unforeseen hazards. This innovation merges safety and futuristic flair, perfect for thrill-seekers and innovators alike. From 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 2.9 seconds, the Cybertruck more than justifies its spot in the fast lane. Its capability doesn't stop at speed. Expect staggering towing capacity and off-road functionality, underscoring its versatility for adventurous escapades or heavy-duty transport. Range anxiety? Not with a Cybertruck. Offering up to 500 miles on a single charge, it redefines distance capabilities in electric vehicles. This makes it equally comfortable for weekend road trips or cross-country journeys without the constant need to recharge. Tesla's self-driving software reaches new heights with the Cybertruck. Packed with sensors and Tesla's futuristic Autopilot systems, this vehicle promises an unparalleled semi-autonomous driving experience. Commuting has never felt so futuristic or safe. Its angular, unconventional shell is a bold statement in a world of curved designs. However, its design is polarizing. While many celebrate its visionary appeal, others question its practicality on urban roads. The Cybertruck is an icon of rebellion against the status quo. The stainless steel exterior is a hallmark of strength, but this rigidity raises questions about safety during collisions. Could its unyielding surface increase risks for pedestrians or other vehicles in accidents? The Cybertruck's tough exoskeleton poses unique concerns. While it protects occupants inside, experts wonder if its hardness might lead to increased harm in collisions, especially with pedestrians. Balancing exterior durability and external safety is vital. Thick A-pillars in its design may create blind spots for drivers, reducing visibility on the roads. Though packed with cameras and technology, some argue the mechanical design itself could create occasional challenges when navigating tight spaces or crowded areas. With a massive battery pack comes great energy and potential hazard. In rare damages or thermal runaway situations, these batteries could pose fire risks. While Tesla employs cutting-edge cooling and monitoring systems, no technology is entirely immune to such possibilities. The Cybertruck's substantial weight is both a strength and a challenge. While it aids stability, its collision impact could be significant. Striking the right balance between sturdiness and public road safety remains crucial in this remarkable vehicle's design. Tesla continuously refines the Cybertruck, utilizing advanced simulations and real-world testing to address its potential safety pitfalls. This proactive approach signals the brand's commitment to harmonizing innovation and responsibility, proving that bold ideas shouldn't neglect practicality or safety standards. Tesla is paving a path to the future, not just with sleek designs but groundbreaking tech. As the Cybertruck evolves, we can expect updates addressing global safety regulations and further enhancements to its robust architecture. The Tesla Cybertruck redefines what's possible on four wheels, but it invites debate that pushes innovation forward. Are you ready to experience what's next? Stay informed, share ideas, and be part of this electric revolution shaping the future of transport and technology. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.